Hi IELTS students, ready to level up your grammar and secure top scores? Today we are tackling a key challenge, that is articles. These small words can make a big difference in your writing and speaking scores. Let's master them together. First things first, what are articles? Articles are words used before nouns to define whether something is specific or general. There are three types of articles. First is a, that is used before singular and general nouns that begin with a consonant sound. For example, I need a pen. Here, pen is singular and a general noun, and we have the consonant sound of P. So we have written A. Second is an. An is used before singular general nouns that begin with a vowel sound. So, example, she bought an umbrella. Here, umbrella is a singular general noun and we have the vowel sound of U. So, we have written an. The third and the last is the, used for specific nouns, whether singular or plural. So, for example, please pass me the salt. Here, the salt is specific noun. So, we have written the. Remember, a and an are called indefinite articles because they don't refer to something specific. While the is the definite article because it points to something known or specific. Now, why should you care about articles in IELTS? Well, incorrect use or no use of articles can lower your band score in both writing and speaking. So here is why. We all know grammar range and accuracy is very important in IELTS. So articles showcase your grammatical precision. And second is clarity. Clarity means the examiner understands whether you are talking about something general or specific. So if I take an example, if you say I saw a movie, it means any movie. But if you say I saw the movie, it's a specific one which you are referring to. This clarity is crucial for your answers. Now let's move on to some advanced rules to help you stand out. First is no article with uncountable or plural nouns in general statements. For example, water is essential for life. So here no article is needed because we are talking about the uncountable noun which is water. But I drank the water you gave me. In this sentence, we are talking about the specific water which is given by you. So I drank the water you gave me. Second is using the with unique things. Example, she visited the Eiffel Tower last summer. So there is only one Eiffel Tower. So we have written the Eiffel Tower. Third is omitting the before proper nouns. Example, I live in Canada. No articles with countries, except exceptions like the United States. We call it the United States or the Netherlands. So, with the country, we don't use the. Articles with adjectives. Example is, it was a beautiful day. So here we are talking about a day which is very beautiful and we are using the adjective beautiful. So tip of this statement is the article comes before the adjective, not the noun directly. Let's talk about a topic related to health in writing task 2. Now, the sentence is government should invest more money in improving public health facilities. What is the mistake? Missing article. That is the before government because we are referring to a specific entity, government. Correct sentence will be the government should invest more money in improving public health facilities. The is used when referring to a specific government, such as the one in the country being discussed. Let's look at some common mistakes students make with articles and how to fix them. Let's say take the example. The first mistake in I saw amazing view. Here they have not used any article, so the correct one will be I saw an amazing view. Second is he went to cinema. No article is used again. He went to the cinema, the particular cinema. The third mistake is I love the nature. No article is needed here because nature we have taken it as a general noun. So I love nature. Practice makes perfect. So here is a quick exercise for you. Fill in the blanks with the correct articles. In the last, I would give you the final tips. Always take a moment to reread your writing tasks and checking your articles. Using a variety of sentence structures to show off your grammar range, and don't forget, practice these rules in your speaking tests too. That's it for today's video on articles. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, mastering these small but powerful words can make a big difference in your IELTS scores. If you have any questions or want to share your answers to the practice questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of your IELTS tips and tricks. Good luck with your IELTS preparation and see you in the next video.